Question 20. Let n denote the set of all natural numbers and R be the relation on n cross n defined by AB related to CD if AD into B plus C equals BC into A plus D. Show that R is an equivalence relation. For all A and B belonging to natural numbers, A and B are related to A and B itself, as AB into B plus A equals BA into A plus B. Therefore, the relation R is reflexive. Let us consider it the first equation. Let AB is related to CD for all AB and CD belonging to a set of natural numbers. Therefore, AD into B plus C equals BC into A plus D. Similar to this one, CD is related to AB. Therefore, using these two conditions, we can say that CB into D plus A equals DA into C plus B using the second equation. Therefore, the relation R is symmetric as well. Now, let AB is related to CD and CD related to EF for all A, B, C, D, EF belonging to a set of natural numbers. From this relation, we can make that AD into B plus C equals BC into A plus D, and from this relation we can make CF into D plus C is DE into C plus F. Solving this on both sides, we get B plus C upon BC equals A plus D upon AD. So dividing this equation by taking it into separate parts, solving B upon BC we get 1 upon C, and solving C upon BC we get 1 upon B. Similarly, solving A upon AD we get 1 upon D, plus D upon AD we get 1 upon A. And the same goes for this side of the equation as well. So here we have two parts, 1 upon C plus 1 upon B equals 1 upon D plus 1 upon A, 1 upon E plus 1 upon D equals 1 upon F plus 1 upon C. So adding LHS of both the equations, we get 1 upon C plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon E plus 1 upon D equals 1 upon D plus 1 upon A plus 1 upon F plus 1 upon C. Solving this equation, we get AF into B plus E equals BE into A plus F. Therefore, AB is related to EF. From this, we can say that R is a transitive relation. Now, since the given relation is transitive, reflective, and symmetric, hence R is an equivalence relation.